One of the most important parts of admission process is to upload O-level results on the JAMB Portal. In fact, the law is no O-level result on the JAMB Portal, no admission for such candidates. It's expected that candidate O-level result or results should be uploaded during the JAMB registration, but some CBT centers skip this phase and get registration done for some candidates without uploading their O-level result. It is recommended for all admission seekers to confirm if their O-level result was successfully uploaded on the JAMB Portal. So in this video, I will take you through the step-by-step guide on how to check if your O-level result is successfully uploaded on the JAMB Portal. So stay with me. But before I proceed, if you are new here, I'm Kosi. On this channel, we make videos on education and career guides. So feel free to join the community by subscribing to this channel so that you can receive notification whenever we drop a new video. Before I started with the step-by-step guide, there are things you need to have for you to be able to access your O-level result on JAMB Portal, or even to access the JAMB Portal at all. I mean your JAMB profile. You need to log in with your email and password, and you cannot do that if your JAMB profile has not been created. In another word, you can't do it if your email has not been linked to the JAMB Portal. I've made a specific video on how to know if your email was linked to the JAMB Portal, that is, if your profile was successfully created. So check the description box below to find the link to the video. But if you already have your email and password to log into the JAMB Portal, then let's go. If you are using your phone, I would recommend you use Google Chrome. On your Google Chrome browser, you have to switch to the desktop version. How do you do that? On the sidebar, there is three-dotted sign. If you click on that, you'll be able to access some of the options you have on the browser, and this is where you'll find desktop sites. Click on this and your browser will be switched to the desktop version. After you have switched your browser to desktop version, the next thing for you is to access the JAMB Portal. You can access the JAMB Portal through efacility.jamb.gov.ng. The eFacility portal is a portal which is created specifically for each and every candidate to access their personal profile. And what do you do on the personal profile? The personal profile is where you carry out all admission activities that has to do with JAMB. That is, for the activities from checking your results, admission letter, and the O-level we want to check specifically in this video. After reaching the portal through efacility.gov.ng, the website looks like what you are seeing on the screen now. So you have to log in with your email and password. After logging in with your email and password, you will find yourself in your personal profile. After you get into your personal profile, you will see where to write admission status. After clicking on the admission status, you'll be directed to a page which looks like this. You'll find two things there, that is access my CAPS and check admission status. So you have to click on access my CAPS because the only place you can get to see your O-level result on the JAMB Portal is on the CAPS, that is the Central Admission Processing System. What you have to click on is access my CAPS. But before you click on that, you have to make sure the year is correct. If you have been writing JAMB before, it's very important you specify the year of the CAPS you want to access. But if this is the first year of your admission process, automatically you have the year as default. So when you click on that, you are going to find yourself in the Central Admission Processing System, which is the CAPS. On this CAPS, you find a lot of things, but the only thing we are concerned about now is to check our O-level result if it is successfully uploaded on the portal. So you will locate where to write my O-level. Click on that. If your O-level result or results was successfully uploaded, you will find it on this page, everything listed. If your O-level was not successfully uploaded, on that page you will find O-level results not found. If you did the registration while awaiting the O-level results, you might find your registration number and your subject, but the grade will be AR, which is awaiting results. I want to believe you achieved the reason for clicking on this video. So don't forget to like this video, because you like this video will go a long way to help this video to reach a large number of people to also benefit them. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you have not. See you in another interesting video. Bye for now.